Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel and today I'll show you how to enable or disable silent mode on the LG Q70 device. So first let's open the settings app and then tap to the sound section. Here you'll see the sound profile, tap here, and just to turn on the silent mode you should switch sound to the silent one. And by the same way, just to turn off the silent mode, switch it to the sound. Also get one more way how we can do that. Just first open notification panel shortcuts, and after that you'll see here the sound icon. Just click here twice on the sound icon and now we can see that the silent mode is activated. Just to turn off silent mode, tap on the silent icon and it's switched automatically to the sound one. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.